Zooflagellates. Zooflagellates, first of all, zoo means animals. Flagellates, having the concept of flagella. Now, animals have unique property that they can move from one place to another place. These protozoans also have unique properties. These protozoans can move from one place to another. Protozoans that move by means of flagella, means flagella or locomotor structure, are called zooflagellates. Zooflagellates are group of protists characterized by flagella which they use for movement. For the movement from one place to another place, these organisms, these protozoans use flagella. They are typically single cell organisms. Now these are animal-like organisms. Keep this thing in your mind that animals are multicellular and animal-like are unicellular and can be found various aquatic environments. Means live in water. Some zooflagellates are parasitic, means they cause disease in the case of animals as well as in the case of men, while others are free living. This is an example of zooflagellates. Trypanosoma. It is a parasitic organism and it causes disease in the case of men, sleeping sickness. यह डिजीज काज करता है जिसे कहते हैं स्लीपिंग सिकनेस और ये स्ट्रक्चर है ट्रैपनोसोमा की. Ciliates means group of organisms which have the concept of cilia. Cilia structure. All those protozoa in which cilia are the locomotor structures are called ciliates. These single cell organisms are part of phylum Ciliophora. Cilio means cilia, phora means possessing. These organisms possess cilia, hence we use the term what? Ciliophora, and are known as their complex cellular structure. These organisms have complex cellular structure. Ciliates are found in various aquatic environments. They are also live in water, including fresh water and marine habitats. Some well-known ciliates are include Paramecium. Paramecium is familiar example of ciliates having the cilia around the complete body of Paramecium. Ciliates are unique property because they possesses two types of nuclei. जो सीलिएट्स होते हैं उनमें दो किस्म के न्यूक्लाई होते हैं. इट इज़ द यूनिक प्रॉपर्टी. ये ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, जो दूसरे ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, जो दूसरे सेल हैं, उनसे अलग करती है. वो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? दे हैव टू न्यूक्लाई. दो न्यूक्लाई होते हैं. एक होता है मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस और दूसरा होता है माइक्रोन्यूक्लियस. मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस which control everyday cell functions. जो सेल के फंक्शंस होते हैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करते हैं. न्यूक्लियस इज द कंट्रोलिंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेल एंड वन और मोर माइक्रोन्यूक्लाई. जो न्यूक्लाई होते हैं, माइक्रोन्यूक्लाई होते हैं, वो एक या एक से ज़्यादा होते हैं, विच आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन रिप्रोडक्शन. दीज आर द फंक्शन. मैक्रोन्यूक्लियस control all the functions of the cell. On the other hand, micronuclei control the reproduction. They also have specialized feeding structures called oral groove. Oral groove होता है जिसके ज़रिए ये फीडिंग करते हैं, ये फूड को इंटेक करते हैं, इंजेस्ट करते हैं फूड पार्टिकल्स को. Ciliates exhibit a wide range of behaviors and ecological roles, from filter feeders to predators, and they are essential part of aquatic ecosystem. Sporozoa apicomplexans. The name api means top, present at the apex. It is derived from a Latin word api which means what? Apex or top, and the complexes infolds for the set of organelles in the case of Sporozoa. These are parasitic protozoans. Means ये जो होते हैं स्पोरोजोआ जो होते हैं ये पैरासाइटिक इन नेचर होते हैं. ये किसी और ऑर्गेनिज्म की बॉडी में रहते हैं और उसे क्या करते हैं? हार्म पहुंचाते हैं. absence of locomotion, but we have found concept of undulating movement. अब undulating movement किसे कहते हैं? wave like movement को कहते हैं. Because of no any locomotive structure in these cells, they show what? Undulating movement. These organisms are called sporozoa. Sporozoa means at the some stage of their lives they develop a spore. Spore producing, hence we called sporozoa. Spore and zoa means animals. Many sporozoa complete their life cycle into two hosts. These are diegenic, means when they complete their life cycle, these organisms required two hosts for the completion of their life cycle. Hence we use the term what? Diegenic. Organisms which complete their life cycle into two hosts are called diegenic.